Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to hide totals in the students' grade summaries in Canvas. Now, this is especially for elementary teachers, grades 3 through 6 in this district, where we're using a standards-based grading scale. So we have the 4-point standards-based grading scale where a 1 is far below, a 2 is approaching the standard, 3 is meeting standard, and 4 is exceeding standard. Now, if we're using Canvas for grading, anything in Canvas runs with percentages. So a student who's meeting standard, consistently making 3 out of 4, would, or not really making 3 out of 4, but earning that 3, right? That meeting the standard mark, the 3. In the total grade, it will show a percentage. So that would be a 75%, which can worry students. It can worry families who don't understand that earning a 3 means meeting standard. So one thing that you can do in Canvas is to turn that total off. So here's a sample of a student grade summary. And you can see that like every assignment is in here, whether it's science or math or social studies or reading or writing, they're all folded in together. And then when the student gets to the very bottom, they will see their assignments. Now it is broken down into the grading groups here or assignment groups here, but it still gives that big total percentage. So a student who is earning 3s would end up with a 75%, like this massive total grade, and that's confusing. So here's how you can go and turn that off. So in the course where you want to make that adjustment, you click on Settings, and by default, that'll land you on the Course Details tab right there, which is where we want to be. And then you'll scroll down to the bottom, and there's this tiny little blue link that says More Options that we'll need to click. And then this checkbox, very small, hide totals in student grade summary. You will check that and then scroll down. This is an important step. Make sure you scroll down and click Update Course Details, and that will make that change hold. Now, if we go back and take a look at the grades of that particular student, we see that the totals are not displayed anymore. As a matter of fact, it has a message that says calculation of totals has been disabled. We just turn that off. If we scroll to the bottom, we also don't see any of those totals any longer. So one little trick that you can use to make it so that the students won't be confused and the parents observing them won't be confused about that percentage when we're using that standards-based grading scale. So that's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.